and then they can't set off the alarm.
Well, we hope they don't.
That's the idea. And we gotta look to find eggs to make sure the queen's laying. And maybe we'll see the queen. Not a huge amount of action up here yet.
You guys have got a lot of milkweed going on. I can do that. You
Yeah.
Just take them out.
I don't think she's up here yet at all.
I don't think so either.
Oh, they're putting some nectar in here, but not a lot going on. Yeah, you can give that one a spray too. It's got some nectar. I can see something. Yeah, bringing in nectar and pollen, but the queen's not doing anything up here. I'm just gonna go through these quick. You want that one?
Daisy, stay with Mom. I don't want you to get stung.
There should be
Okay.
no problem. They're building that.
Yeah.
Oh, that one, no, actually, that's an older one.
Just stay with me.
You want to see them?
Wanna see? Look. That's cool, huh?
See the nectar in the cells? That's what they're getting from the flowers. That's pretty cool.
Pretty awesome. What are they making, Dawson?
Yes, they are. All right, we'll get some more.
These are all empty. Put them closer to work 'em better.
We need to stay over here and be patient, okay?
Somebody just saw me pull 3 frames at once on video. That's not in the textbooks. All right, now we'll see some action out here.
They're starting though, getting a little white. I'm gonna throw this.
Yeah, it's desiccated. They took all the sugar. They don't need the pollen. They just wanted the honey. I doubt we're gonna spray these. Really, they're working though. There's a lot of pollen on that one. See all the orange and yellow?
That's really cool.
All different pollen, different color pollen comes from different flowers. That's how they get their protein.
Over here, bud. Your daddy's over there, back there with Dawson. I mean, Tucker.
No eggs on that.
Over there.
All of these, most of these are girls. But see the big ones like that? That's a boy bee. That's a drone. He doesn't even have a stinger, so he can't even sting you. See the different one? The drone? He's bigger. About 95% are worker bees, girls, and just 5% drones. So now here's some larvae. These are baby bees. See those white little worms in the cell? Those are going to eventually grow into an adult bee. So they turn into a pupa and then pupate and emerge. Here's pollen up top, and there's bees in these cells. They're going to come out. It takes from the egg to the. How long does it take a chicken to hatch? 21 days,
21
right?
days, yep.
Well, same thing with a bee. From an egg to when it emerges as an adult bee, it's 21 days.
Other than boy bees, they're 24.
This one has a little bit of eggs in it, but I don't know if you'll be able to see them. They're tiny little grains of rice in those cells. They're tiny, tiny. You can barely see them. But that's what we're looking for, because now we know our queen was doing her thing. find her.
She's backpedaling like crazy.
She is marked white. So see, here's some smaller little worms, little larvae. Those are about 4 days old. Takes 3 days for the egg to hatch. And then on the 4th day, it's a larva and starts growing.
Backpedaling this one with nectar.
You see a queen yet?
No,
I don't really need to inspect everyone.
I'm not saying that I didn't.
No, I've been looking
Miss her.
too though. She's here though, because I got eggs.
She's the next frame there.
She's on this one.
Yeah, I can see her.
Can you find the queen? She's painted with a white dot. See her?
There you go.
See how much bigger she is? She's the only queen in the hive.
I can't see a queen.
There's the queen right there. See her? With that white dot on her. We painted that white dot so that we can find her easy. And all she does is go and lay eggs there all day long. 1,500 in a day. That's more than a chicken.
More than a chicken's lifetime.
So, I don't know if we need to do the super.
No, I don't think so.
That's still pretty dry up there. So we saw eggs, larvae, pollen, and nectar. So that's all we needed to see. We found our queen, so we know she's doing good. And that's why we inspect, to make sure that there's no problems.
Daisy, Dawson, can you guys turn around for 1 minute? Turn around. You're gonna say bees? Say bees. Smile.
Now we gotta close them up.
All right, back up, guys. Let them close them up.
And see up here, they got another little hidden entrance that they can go to if they want. They can fly up and get in the hive up there. So that's that. So now we know we have a healthy beehive. We can come back in another week or two.
All the bees are doing good.
They're growing.